So this morning we're starting off with showers and thunderstorms already in progress. Temperatures sitting around 61 degrees this morning. Winds out of the southwest at around 8 miles per hour with the wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Rain chances are high around 80%. And while most rainfall stays light, some storms could bring a brief heavier downpour. Heading into the afternoon, storms continue. We're expecting showers and thunderstorms before 3 p.m., then a brief break possibly by mid-afternoon before additional scattered storms redevelop later in the day. High temperatures climb to near 79 degrees, very warm and unstable. Winds increase out of the southwest at 10 to 16 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 34 miles per hour. Now some of these storms could be strong, so stay weather aware throughout the day and keep an eye on things. Main impact for you tonight is when things really ramp up. Showers and thunderstorms become widespread, and some storms could produce heavy rainfall throughout the night. Rain chances jump to 100%. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain possible, which could lead to localized flooding concerns. Temperatures fall to around 39 degrees overnight, and winds shift from the southwest to northwest overnight, gusting up to 24 miles per hour. This is the overnight setup, and make sure you have a way to receive warnings while you sleep. Now, moving into Friday, we're turning much cooler. Showers likely early in the morning, and possible heavy at times, and then conditions gradually improve with some sunshine later on in the day. Highs reach around 46 degrees and winds be out of the northeast at around 10 to 13 miles per hour with gusts up to 23 miles per hour. Looking at Friday night, looking at clearing and colder. Lows drop to around 26 degrees with a north wind. And then let's moving into the weekend. Saturday looks much quieter even. Sunny skies return with a high of 47 degrees, so not quite as warm. Saturday night is partly cloudy with a low around 34 degrees. So in closing, the big story today, storms, heavy rain tonight, and a sharp cool down heading into Friday. Hey, stay weather aware, especially tonight. That's your latest forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Have a safe Thursday.